Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau with the National Weather Forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday the 15th of October. Starting with our weather map, the main thing to notice is this big high pressure system out in the Tasman Sea. That's directing warm and humid air over eastern parts of Australia, and that's combining with some surface troughs to give a shower and thunderstorm outbreak over the southeastern states tomorrow. Now, some of these thunderstorms could be severe, producing heavy rainfall, damaging winds and large hail. However, over in the west, we have a high pressure system pushing in, and that's giving clearing conditions through the southwest, while through the north, the build-up continues with warm and humid conditions and some showers and thunderstorms. Looking at Queensland, some light showers along the east coast with onshore flow, and possibly even some showers and thunderstorms creeping over the border in the late afternoon or evening. Warm conditions in the north and west with low intensity heatwave conditions through the peninsula and high fire danger through southwestern districts. Cooler in the east, Brisbane heading for a top of 26, partly cloudy with just a slight chance of an afternoon or evening shower. Down in New South Wales, we see widespread showers across the state and also possibly thunderstorms, most likely through the northeast and also in western and central parts. Now, it's this inland area that's most likely to see the severe thunderstorms, producing heavy rainfall or large hail and maybe even some locally damaging wind gusts. Storms are expected to be slow moving through this part, which increases the risk of flash flooding with any heavy rainfall. So it's really important to stay up to date with any warnings that are issued for these storms tomorrow. Otherwise, a warm day inland, cooler near the coast. Sydney heading for a top of 20 degrees with a shower or two, Canberra 18 and also a shower or two. Down in Victoria, we do see showers and thunderstorms also extending from the northwest, particularly during the afternoon and evening, and some of these thunderstorms over the northwest could also be severe. We're expecting a warm day across northern and western parts, but below average temperatures through Gippsland. Melbourne heading for a top of 26 degrees with just the chance of a shower or two in the late afternoon or evening, and maybe even a rumble of thunder through the outer northern or northwestern suburbs. Down in Tassie though, much more settled conditions, some morning frost patches inland, then plenty of sunshine during the day, just some patchy cloud through the north and east. Hobart heading for a top of 19. South Australia has widespread but isolated showers and thunderstorms during the morning, increasing in the afternoon but contracting to the east. Again, some of these showers and thunderstorms could produce severe weather, so watch for any warnings through eastern South Australia. It's going to be another warm day with temperatures 6 to 12 degrees above average, high fire danger through the northeast pastoral and possibly some low intensity heatwave conditions in the northwest. A warm night in Adelaide 17, then up to 29 during the day with a shower or two, and possibly the chance of a thunderstorm most likely in the morning. Over in the west, a few showers about the southwest and southern coasts clearing during the day, but remaining cloudy and cool through the southwest land division. Warmer and sunnier though through the north and east with high fire dangers through the southern interior and also parts of the Pilbara coast. In Perth, there might be a morning shower or two and then a mostly dry afternoon, top of 22 degrees. And through the north, the build-up continues with warm and humid conditions, some showers and thunderstorms, particularly about the western top end and the northern Kimberley. Temperatures mostly in the high 30s or around the 40-degree mark, up to 10 degrees above average through parts of central Australia. We have Darwin heading for a top of 33 degrees with a shower or two and the chance of a thunderstorm. Alice Springs, a top of 38. And that's it for our weather update. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings for your location on the Bureau's website or our app, and we'll see you again tomorrow.